Okay, we got this. The camera is on. Just start talking. I have to figure out what to make a video on soon, or they'll all just think I'm a big phony. Oh my god, I'm the worst designer in the world.
Today, I'll be making a movie poster design in Kittl, just a 16 by 20 poster, and I'll be using Kittl's awesome features like the AI generator, background remover, and the awesome new eraser tool to help me do the job. Tennis seems to be the big craze right now with the Wimbledon. Yes, the Wimbledon tournament, as well as, what's the name of that movie? Challengers. Tennis seems to be the craze right now, so I'm going to be creating a tennis-themed movie poster design in Kittl. So I'm going to start a new project, go over to the 16 by 20. I'm going to set my DPI to 300. I always set it to 300 dots per inch when I'm doing anything print, so I don't have to worry about any pixelation or quality loss when I go to print anything that needs to be physical. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a good photo. So I'm just going to go to my photos panel and type in tennis. And I'm going to need to scroll through these, I'm guessing, for quite a minute, because having a good photo is like the bread and butter of like a movie poster. And I need to make sure that what I'm using is awesome. Something like that is super awesome, but I'd love to have a person in it so I can have a true subject. That one's cool. That one's cool. Straight up Nike endorsement. That one's nice. That one's nice. I'm looking for one that I know I can kind of cleanly remove the subject from, though. And I kind of have an idea in my mind about the theme of the movie. I think this right here is perfect because I'm going to put my director cap on. But so my idea for the movie, obviously tennis related, called New Money. And basically the premise is like a young, maybe 17, 18-year-old tennis prodigy that comes from like generational non-wealth, just kind of poor upbringing, and like wants to change that whole thing for her family. So she like plays tennis tournaments to get into wealth and not be poor anymore. So I think this totally fits the vibe. So now that I've got my photo here, the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to hit duplicate right here, make sure my top image is selected, and then I'm going to use the background remover tool just so I can get her removed from, it looks like it took her but not the cart, but that's okay because I don't really need this right here with what I have in my mind. So that's totally fine. As long as I have her head right here and her feet removed, I think that will work. And just position this right here. Now it's time to find some good fonts for this. So I'm gonna hit T and let's go through some fonts. I need to find a good serif font. Something like this looks kind of luxurious. So I'm going to type in, I know I want to do like a mixed font kind of deal. Size that up. And then color wise, I'm thinking kind of like a desaturated pinkish kind of vibe. Peach maybe, I don't know. More towards the pinkish red. I think that's a super nice color. Kind of have to play around until you find something that you really like. Yeah, I think that's perfect. And then I'm going to add a stroke on this text. So I'm going to go to text shading and do this third option. This is just my hack for adding a stroke to text. And we're going to turn the color to black, the offset to 0, and then just add an outline width to this. Not huge, maybe 3, just enough to give something around the text so that you can make sure you see it. Then I'm going to copy that text and find a good script. I love this script font, so I'm going to use that right here. And then we set New Money. And I think having the text kind of overlap itself is super cool. But now I need to put her on top. So I need to click her to front. And then I might play around with the placement of this so that it looks right. try to get rid of those weird gaps. So if it was right here, I'm having 2 weird gaps. I'm having this text come out behind her head, and then I don't like this gap right here. So I'm just going to move this over to where it doesn't create any weird gaps. And something like that looks super balanced to me. And I want that text to be just a little bit more defined. So I'm going to just click on a basic shape here, drag that over, and then go to my colors and make this a linear gradient. And then I can just select this color and turn the opacity down on that. And then I can send that backwards again, and then just make sure that our text is on top. Now I feel like I've really got the text kind of sticking out there. We adjust that. It creates kind of a vignette effect. I think I'm going to duplicate that on the bottom as well. Kind of makes her like pop out of the poster a little bit. Now I'm going to copy this text, and I'm going to just use like a slogan for the movie, I guess. Something like against all odds, because obviously probably one of the themes in this movie is that she's like an underdog and all the odds are stacked against her. You know, that's pretty classic. Let's see if I move this up, if I give myself a little bit more space. Now, I love the idea of this text being behind her feet, but I want to make sure that it's readable. I think something like that is readable, but I could also go in here and add a space or 2. I'm going to erase this portion of the foot so you can see that part of the T, and I'm going to erase this little part right here. Just makes it feel a little cleaner to me. Yeah, something like that is starting to look pretty clean to me. I wonder if I mess with the color of this photo a little bit, just to make her kind of stand out. Could also go the complete opposite direction and just make her black and white. But I kind of liked how colorful this was. I think that looks great. Now I'm going to use ChatGPT to my advantage, and I'm going to ask it to give me a 2-sentence summary of a movie where a young tennis player enters competitions to end the cycle of generational poverty in her family. That was really wordy. I think I'm just going to take this first line right here. Copy, text line, and then I'm going to use like a nice sans serif font, and I think this fits the vibe. Just going to make sure that it's the same color here, that pink, and I need to add a little bit more of a stroke to this text down here. So let's see what 2 looks like. 3 may be a little bit too much. 2 looks good. So I'm going to size this down, 20, because it's just going to be super small text. That doesn't really matter, I guess. But I'm going to center that up down there at the bottom, and then add the same effect here, turn the offset down, and I'll let that be over top of her foot there. I kind of like it being in front of the text, like you just not being able to read it, I kind of like. But if I stretch this out just a little bit and add some spaces, no, I don't like that at all. It's not good. I'm going to keep it how it is. And if they can't read it and they don't know what it's about, they can go watch the movie and then they'll know what it's about. So I'm going to now ask ChatGPT to generate 4 names of actors, of fake actors to star in this movie. Nice. So copy these one by one. Let's just say it's 2 main stars, because I like the idea of just having 1 and then 2. So what was the other one? This guy, maybe that could be like her trainer or something. And then, yeah, so that looks super good to me. I wonder if I bring this down. Yeah, so it makes it kind of like a pocket down here of text. The last thing that I want to do here is just add a texture to this. And if I go to photocopy textures. Be something like this, but I would need to adjust the blending mode here. Maybe a little overlay. I also do like what soft light looks like. And something like that looks nice to me, just a little bit of texture. And this is my finished movie poster for New Money. Well, that is all for today's video. I always encourage everyone, if they can't find a template that they like for something that they're doing, just try creating something from scratch. You can also start with a template and then just heavily alter it. It doesn't have to stay the same font or text or image or colors or anything. It just gives you a good starting place, just so you don't have to start from a blank canvas, which I know can be kind of intimidating. Drop a comment down below if you would not see this movie. And if you don't care about this movie at all, just drop a comment down below if you thought the design was cool. If you've never tried Kittl before, we have a free trial for you on our website. Go over to kittl.com and sign up today. And if you're already on a free plan and you want to upgrade to get some of those premium features on a pro or expert plan, use the promo code in the description to upgrade today. Make sure to like this video, hit that thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and we will see you in the next video.